So what have we got here? We have a manila box, we do. Oh, exciting. Well, I happen to know what's inside there. But, okay, let's have it. Let's have an investigation. Okay, nothing on that side. No. Anything on that side? No. Anything on that side? No, but there's something on that side. That there is. Oh, you see. There is some words there. Anyway, DC power supply. Okay. It is this one. It is this DC power supply that should be in this box. But is it? Oh, we'll find out in a moment. This is an unboxing of the I can't say that. How do you pronounce that? Maybe someone can leave the phonetics in the comments down below. Well, listen. It's Alimentation Laboratoire. Okay, I was en français. You see, here in France, they speak French. Now, in the United Kingdom, it probably costs around £49.99. In the EU, or here in France, it's €54.99. In the United States, it's probably a similar sort of money. Well, it is in this box. It is, okay. It is a 30 volt, well, up to 30 volt, 10 amp DC block. Yeah, it's a power supply unit. So what this video is an unboxing. So no further ado, let's unbox it. Oh, okay, that's what we're going to do. So first of all, we are going to open the box. Oh, and inside the box, we have two wonderful pieces of packing foam. It's my favourite kind of squishy stuff, that it is. We have a power supply, power cable to supply the power supply. Oh, anyway, that's what that is, obviously. It's like a kettle lead, all right? There you go. Literally like a kettle lead. Yeah, an EU one. Okay, I think, yeah, there you go. All right. And then you get some cables that you do with crocodile clips. All right. Oh, that's saucy, isn't it? Okay. Oh, don't get too excited. Okay, so you've got a positive and a negative. And why do I want this power supply? Oh, so I can further develop this channel. So I can, well, test things. I can provide power to stuff that I want to test. Yeah. And maybe it will even blow up. Well, we'll see in future videos. Okay, you get a manual. All right, DC power supply user guide. It happens to be in English, German, Italian, French, and Spanish. Oh, exciting stuff, wouldn't you say? Okay, what do you get in there? We got English first. Let's look at. Okay, what's the front here? Right, all right, yeah. Okay, main functions on off. That's good function, that is. Yeah, all right, and on the front here, we'll look at it in a moment. Shall we open the box first? As the box up, but yeah, should we get the stuff out of the box? That's a good idea, isn't it? Right, so let's grab the lovely bits of foam. Oh, all squishy. All squishy they are. Oh, no, I'll get too excited there. We've got this manila box that's falling apart. Okay, that's not a good sign. Place it over here. Right. Warning. Okay, now I am a bit worried now. Warning. It is a UOHHBOE DC power supply, 30 volt, 10 amp. Okay, that's handy to know. It says there, and it's made in China. Not surprising, like everything is these days. Now, this little unit's not that expensive. For 10 amp, it's probably one of the best value ones I could find. So remove its condoms. I mean, it's protection to its head. Anyway, let's remove those. And, oh, crikey, is it upside down? Are they feet? I think they might be. Do you think they might be up there? Maybe. Well, let's sliver off its sheath. There you go. Oh, we can't see what I can see, but actually, it looks pretty. There you go. It looks nice. Okay. I don't need to look nice, but you know, I was getting excited, I know. So anyway, what we've got here, we've got this power supply unit. So you can change the actual, you've got coarse and fine for your voltages, so you go like a mad thing, or you can fine tune it. You've got your ground, and you've got your positive and a negative. The positive being the red one, negative being the black one, ground being the yellow one. In the middle here, you have your USB power supply, which I believe is about 4 amps. I'll check that in a moment, but this is unboxing. We're not actually testing it in this video, no. I just want to know my first impressions of this particular unit. Are they positive? Well, they should be. Yeah, because we've got okay, I'll shut up. Anyway, so it's a metal case. It happens to, sheath or shroud the unit itself. It has a fan here. Is it noisy? Should we just plug it in, actually? Let's just plug it in just see if it goes bang. We don't want to go bang, though. We've got one of these little twisty things. Okay, it's a twisty thing. Got to remove that first. Luckily, I have a power outlet right in front of me. But first of all, I'm going to plug it into its back. The power outlet's... well, the power lead looks like it's probably around... oh, what is it? 1.5 meters. Yeah, the power lead's about 1.5 meters long. Let's plug that into the back here. Oh, it's easy, isn't it? Crikey. And then I'm going to plug that into the power supply over here. God, I don't know if I should. It's in. The power's on. So, okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. And then you can obviously alter the voltages. Okay, it's up to its maximum voltage at the moment at 31.54. Oh, crikey, it goes over its maximum voltage of 30 volts. So basically, you can just alter your voltage to suit. Oh, 12 volts. Very handy. I'll be on 12 volts quite a bit, I imagine. And then we have the fine adjust here. Okay, there, sorry. So you can titillate it. Now, I'll be doing testing this and see what the outputs are. Are they accurate? Because you know, sometimes they're not. Alright? Yeah. So, yeah, look, on face value, protection they put off on there, I'm quite happy with it. It looks pretty nice quality for the money. It does, you know. All the screws are flush in the sides. It's nicely finished off. There's no nasty, sharp bits. Ow! Gee, I kid you, because there isn't. No, there's no sharp, nasty bits, and I'm not cut yet. It's a good sign. After rubbing it up like this, yeah. Oh, these things, they do get me rather excited. Yeah, so, yeah, there's no nasty, sharp bits anywhere. It's an elongated case, as you can see. Elongated. Which happens to measure, tape measure, okay. It's overall around 230 millimeters, including the knobs. You got to, realise that, don't you? When you measure your thing, you got to allow for your knob, okay. I'm allowing for my knobs at 230 mil, and the width, overall width, is around. Well, actually, it's probably about 81 millimeters. Yeah, about 81 millimeters, and its height, including its feet, is at 145 millimeters. So about 5 3/4 inches. So I'm actually quite pleased with the finish. Actually, I think it's actually a nicely finished off thing. A far cry from the old Chinese shiny torches used to get years ago. Can you remember them? The old chromium plated torches. With some dodgy Chinese stickers on them. I mean, they're really rough, they were, weren't they? Stick in your pocket, and you're a threat of losing your member. You don't want to do that. No, don't put it in your pocket. So, you have your, on the front here, these are screw-down connectors as well. So, you can use spade ends, or you could use ring end crimps and what have you. In this case, it comes with these push-in plugs, like so, like banana plugs. One goes in there, one goes in there, and if you like, and then you can connect that to whatever you like. Well, we will test that in another video, that we will. Alright, see how accurate this little device is. So anyway, there you go. This is the like I said, I would very much like someone to tell me how to pronounce that, because it's bizarre. I don't know if you're supposed to be okay, you tell me. Leave it in the comments down below. Anyway, I'll leave a link to this device in the description if you want to purchase one, and we do get a little commission for that. I mean little, I mean it's tiny. Tiny it is, Tiny Tim. Oh, it's Christmas. This was my Christmas present, actually. It's a funny Christmas present, isn't it? Anyway, you tell me. Like I say, leave in the comments down below. And I will be making some videos and testing the accuracy and stability of this supply. Power supply, that is. Anyway, don't forget to boot the old like button and maybe subscribe to the channel, because it helps, you know. Oh, we do. Honestly, it helps the channel. Yeah, and it makes me feel a little bit happier as well. Oh, I get all depressed, I do. Okay. Toodaloo.